Mia loved walking through the forest near her grandparents' house. The tall trees, chirping birds, and soft rustling of leaves always made her feel calm. One afternoon, as the sun dipped lower in the sky, she noticed something unusual. A narrow path appeared between the trees, a path she had never seen before. Where does this lead? Mia wondered aloud. She stepped onto the path, and the air grew cooler. The sounds of the forest faded, replaced by a soft whisper. "Hello," Mia called out. The whispers grew louder, but she couldn't understand the words. Intrigued, she followed the path deeper into the forest. Soon, she reached a clearing where an ancient oak tree stood. Its branches stretched wide, and its trunk was covered in glowing symbols. As Mia stepped closer to the tree, the whispers stopped. For a moment, everything was silent. Then, a deep, gentle voice spoke. "Welcome, Mia." She froze. Who's there?" "It is I, the heart of the forest," the tree replied. Mia stared at the tree, her heart pounding. "You can talk?" "Only to those who listen," the tree said with a chuckle. "What do you want from me?" Mia asked, both nervous and curious. "You have entered the Whispering Woods," the tree said. "And now you must face its secrets." The tree's branches swayed as it spoke again. "The forest holds many secrets, Mia. Some are hidden, and some are waiting to be found. Are you ready to discover them?" Mia nodded. "I think so." "Good," the tree said. "Your first task is to find the hidden lantern. It will guide you through the woods." Mia looked around the clearing. "Where do I start?" "Follow the light of the fireflies," the tree said. As the sun set, tiny fireflies began to glow, forming a shimmering trail. Mia followed them, her excitement growing with each step. After walking for what felt like hours, she found a small lantern hanging from a branch. Its light flickered softly, casting long shadows. Mia carefully took the lantern from the branch. The moment she touched it, the whispering voices returned, clearer this time. "Use the lantern to find the hidden door," the voices said. Mia held the lantern up, and its light revealed a faint outline of a door carved into a nearby tree trunk. She approached the tree and ran her fingers over the door's surface. "How do I open it?" The lantern's light grew brighter, and the door creaked open, revealing a dark passage. Taking a deep breath, Mia stepped inside. The passageway was narrow, its walls lined with roots that glowed faintly. The air smelled of earth and moss. Mia held the lantern high, its light guiding her steps. The whispers echoed around her, growing louder with each step. At the end of the passage, she found a small chamber. In the center was a pedestal holding a crystal shaped like a leaf. As Mia approached, the crystal began to glow, and the tree's voice spoke again. "This is the heart's crystal," it said. "It holds the memories of the forest. But it is incomplete." "How do I complete it?" Mia asked. "By learning the truth of the forest," the tree replied. "Your journey is far from over." Mia held the heart's crystal in her hands, its soft glow casting shadows on the chamber walls. The tree's voice echoed around her. "The forest remembers all who walk its paths," the tree said. "But its memories have been scattered. You must find the missing pieces." "How do I do that?" Mia asked, her voice steady despite her growing curiosity. "Follow the lantern's light," the tree replied. "It will guide you to the truths hidden within the forest." As the crystal pulsed gently, the lantern flickered to life again. Mia stepped out of the passage and back into the forest, the whispers returning to guide her. The lantern led Mia to another part of the forest, where she discovered a hidden clearing surrounded by flowers that glowed faintly in the dark. In the center was an old, weathered bench, and beside it lay a book, its cover embossed with the same glowing symbols as the tree. Mia picked it up, and as she opened it, the whispers grew louder. The pages were filled with stories of the forest's past, of travelers who had wandered through its paths, each leaving a piece of themselves behind. "The memories are here," Mia said to herself. The lantern's light highlighted a particular page. It told the story of a healer who had once lived in the forest, using its magic to help those in need. This is one of the missing pieces, Mia realized. She placed the book into her bag, determined to find more. The lantern guided Mia to a small pool of water hidden beneath a canopy of trees. The surface was so still that it reflected the stars above like a perfect mirror. As Mia approached, the whispers became words. "Look into the pool," they said. Mia knelt by the water's edge and gazed into its depths. At first, she saw only her reflection, but slowly the image changed. She saw herself as a little girl running through the forest with her grandmother. They laughed together as they picked flowers and told stories. "This is my memory," Mia whispered. The pool glowed softly and the image faded. The crystal in her pocket grew warmer, and the whisper said, "You are connected to the forest. Its memories are part of you." Mia followed the lantern to the base of the ancient oak tree. The whispers grew louder, blending into a melody that seemed to come from the tree itself. "You have found the missing pieces," the tree said. "Now, you must choose." "Choose what?" Mia asked. "The heart's crystal holds the power to heal the forest," the tree explained. "But it can only do so if you stay and become its keeper." Mia's heart raced. She thought of her life outside the forest, her family, and her dreams. "What happens if I say no?" "The forest will remain, but its memories will continue to fade," the tree said. Mia took a deep breath. "If I stay, what must I do?" "You will guide those who seek the forest's secrets, just as I have guided you," the tree replied. Mia stood beneath the ancient oak tree, holding the heart's crystal. She looked around at the glowing forest, its whispers now soft and peaceful. "I'll stay," she said firmly. "I'll protect the forest and its memories." The tree's branches swayed as if in approval. The crystal in Mia's hand glowed brightly, and the whispers grew into a harmonious song. From that day forward, Mia became the new keeper of the Whispering Woods. She guided travelers who wandered its paths, helping them discover its secrets and their own connections to its magic. And every evening, as the lantern's light flickered in the distance, Mia listened to the whispers of the forest, knowing she was exactly where she was meant to be.